Hi, and welcome to Yoga with Inner Sun community. Today is a full body stretch. Find a comfortable seat on your mat, sit tall here, and start by rolling your shoulders back. Pay attention to your breathing. And when you're ready, go ahead and roll them forward. On your next breath, go ahead and roll the neck, starting with counterclockwise direction. Move carefully at your own pace here. You want to be gentle with the neck. Go ahead and switch direction, clockwise, and keep breathing. On your next breath, go ahead and do a seated spinal rotation, starting with counterclockwise. Move at your own pace, focusing on your breathing. Go ahead and switch direction, clockwise. From here, we'll do dynamic side bend. So bring the palms up and then bring your palms one at a time onto the mat. Move at your own pace and move with your breath. Now go ahead and hold here, feeling the stretch on the side body. Go ahead and switch side. Now bring your palms to cactus arms and twist to the right and to the left carefully. Move at your own pace, carefully with the breath. Now go ahead and hold the twist. With every exhale, see if you can twist deeper. Go ahead and switch side now. Deep breath. From the belly button, you twist. Come back to center. Get on your hands and knees here. From here, you'll just find organic movement with the spine. Just move freely and focus on what feels good here. Don't focus so much on how it looks, but focusing more on how it feels in the body. Now come to child's pose. Bring the knees wide, big toes together, forehead onto the mat. And maybe move your forehead side to side to stretch the shoulders. Now go ahead and get back on all four and extend the right leg out across the left leg and just rock back and forth here using your toes as an anchor. And feel the stretch at the back of the leg. Feel the stretch on your foot. Continue with your breath. Go ahead and switch side. Now come back to center. Extend your palms forward and melt the chest and the forehead onto the mat and come to puppy pose. Stretching the upper back and the chest here. Now come to thread the needle, starting with the right arm under. An option to keep the top arm in a bind. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Go ahead and switch side now. Now lift yourself up and come to lizard pose, starting with the right leg forward. From here, we'll do twisting motion, starting with the right palms up. Move with your breath here and move at your own pace. We'll hold the twist here, an option to grab onto the back leg. Feel the stretch in the quads and hip flexors. Now come to half split. Come back to center. Go ahead and switch leg. We'll do that same dynamic movement on the other side. Move and breathe together. Breathe as you twist. Hold here. And again, option to grab the back leg. And then come to half split. Bring your leg back and make your way into Sphinx pose. Stretching the front of our chest. Move neck side to side if that's allowable in this moment. Now you lift yourself up and come to up dog and hold here. Breathe as you hold. Now make your way into down dog, twisting at the hips and cycling heels one at a time. Feel the stretch at the back of your legs, ankles. Continue with your breath. Make your way into child's pose, and we're almost done here. Rest here. Focus on your breathing. See if you can extend your inhale and extend your exhales here. Now stretching the side body by bringing your palms towards the left side of the mat. Breathe and switch. Come back to center. We'll close this practice by finding a comfortable seat. You're welcome to take your Savasana here. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'll see you next time. Namaste.